Okay, so like, been working on the Rambler, and right now I'm trying to get this door off. So I got one stand there and one stand there, kind of up underneath the lip of the door, to help hold it when I get it out, because it's just too much trying to hold the door, manage the chair, and do all this. So I'm out of breath because I was in there already and got everything broke loose. And then I thought, oh, well, heck, might as well make a video of this. Get back on this Rambler project and get some videos pumped out for y'all. So I know y'all been wanting to see it get done. But I'm going to sit you in here real quick. I think that spot will work just fine. Let me get in here. Okay, so I got a fire blanket and a towel down to kind of help me not catch that lip. Get out of my chair here. Get up in here. So, all right. Well, I don't want to give you guys moon y'all. I just don't know where the best place to stick you at is. Kind of right there, I suppose. So there's a hole right here, and that's got this hinges 3 bolts in, and then back up behind the dash. So what I had to do is I had to use this snap-on wrench and get up in there, and that's a you know, the flex head, or the swivel head one with the long handle. I think it's kind of a mid-size handle, but I had to use that to get up in there because it basically had to be like this to get past the e-brake assembly up back in there. And then once I got them top ones broke loose, now I can use my little stubby guy that I got for my birthday this year. I can use that and get up in there now and get them top 3 bolts out. So let's see if we can do a few things, get up in there. Gotta kind of I got some wires that are running through that. I don't know if you guys can see up in there or not, but maybe not. Maybe so. So you see where my wrench is stuck up in there, past that insulation and stuff. And it's just kind of a awkward spot to get up in there. I just don't know how well I can get up in there, but we'll see what we can do here. But I'm gonna put you all on pause for a minute while I get that one out of there. Okay, so my furnace kicked on too, but this last bolt here. So my AE cable come undone in the back or something because it's not holding it. I can get on the thing. still got one stuck right there. And now it's undone. Okay. See if that door will balance there just for a second. And now I don't know where to stick y'all. Stick you on my chair for a minute. Stay, door, stay. Me moving is going to make it move. Okay. Woo. Alright, so now, actually, I think I'll put y'all up here. Alright. So now we got that door done. See if it'll stay there long enough for me to get in my chair. Okay, so that door is done. It's got one thread left on the dang bolt. That one bolt is not wanting to cooperate. Come on. I can't fight it. All right, in my chair, he's wanting to slide out from underneath me. I got like a half a turn. I can't get up on it. Okay, now it's done. Cut my hand. All right, so now, don't let go. The other one's still biting the hole. I thought I had it completely undone. Well, I dropped it in there now, but it's done. Okay, hold on a minute. And these doors are heavy. Walk it up my legs. Walk it up, Dave. Walk it up. Walk it up, Dave. Okay, this door is probably like 50 pounds. But I just want to get it out of the way. Walk it down, Dave. Walk it down. Gently, 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 gently. Well, that last little bit wasn't very gently. It'll be okay for now. But the door's off. Let me get y'all. Okay. So now we got the door off. And that was a lot of work. I'm exhausted. Well, leave that set right there. And the main reason why I wanted to take that door off is so we clean all this up right here and here. Because I'm gonna paint all this back to white. But this here I'm gonna leave black. So, but I need to overlap some of that. Whoops, overlap some of that right there. And this will let me clean up the rest of all this, get all this, and then I can get this trim off and do all that. So, my hair's a mess. I'm a mess. My back hurts now. But I got all this. You know, I got a whole nother side to go. I think I might get Gregory or Matt to help me with that side because this was just a little too much for me. And now I'm paying for it. But we got it off, so now we can get this trim and stuff off. I gotta see if I can find my screwdriver, you know, hammer impact, the one that you hit with a hammer. So, but anyways, there was taking the door off the Rambler. So, I don't know what else I want to do right yet. I need to take a break. So, we're gonna call it this. Let's call this good for right now. That was, you know, when you're taking that door off, you got 3 bolts, and there's quite a bit of movement in these Ramblers for adjustment. For one thing, the door wasn't high enough to originally to begin with, but so, but anyways, I got the door off. That was a lot of work, and we'll see you next time. Appreciate y'all.